If you're being sued by a debt collector and you need to figure out what you could do quickly, like maybe you're right there on the line, like you disregarded it, you got served, you are about to miss the deadline, and you want to know what could you do? What would be the thing that you could actually go and do that's going to make a real difference when you go into that courtroom? Is what you can do is you can ask for continuance. A continuance can be given to you if you tell the judge that you need more time to put together a defense, or if you're going to be seeking legal advice. Even if you're not going to get an attorney and you want to represent yourself and you're just going to do some more research or get with a service to be able to create your response, you will be able to get a continuance at least one time. At least one time. But this is very important. You do not want to not show up for that hearing. If you're not prepared by having a summons response, you missed the deadline, you gotta go in there, because if they get a default judgment, they're going to be able to come after you for 20 years until it is paid. You're not going to be able to submit any type of motions to have the judgment overturned, because they're going to show that you had the opportunity by you getting served. Another thing that you need to be aware of, if they tried to serve you and they're not either able to find you, you never open the door, whatever it is, and they don't allow it to be posted in your state to where they just stick it on the door, the next thing that they're going to do is they're going to go to that judge and they're going to ask for alternative service. And and they're going to show that they attempted service. Usually it's going to be 3 times, and in some states they want them to post it on an online publication that is verified for your city, or a printed publication that's verified for your city. They take that to court showing that they tried 3 times and that they posted your name with a public notice that you're getting sued, and then they're able to proceed and they get a default judgment. And those are some of the hardest ones to go back on, especially if they went and knocked on your door and you didn't answer. So if you find that you are sued by a debt collector, what you can do is you can go to summonsmaster.com, www.summonsmaster.com, where you can get a fully formatted response to your court lawsuit. And we also break down the defenses based on the different types of lawsuits. So if you got a credit card lawsuit, you got a payday loan lawsuit, you got a personal loan lawsuit, you got a repo lawsuit, or a medical debt lawsuit, you can get your summons response in minutes, and you'll also get a breakdown of what your defenses actually mean. So if you're getting sued by a debt collector, go to www.summonsmaster.com.